Open up the piano and let's play Yeshua My Beloved by Jesus Image. There's a total of 5 chords for this song. So first chord, we're going to have our E minor. We're going to put our thumb on E, finger 3 on G, and then finger 5 on B. And then left hand, we are going to go down 2 octaves. So C, go down to C, 1 octave, going down to C, and 2 steps out now. This is E. Okay, so we're going to have our left hand, we're going to put our finger 5. This is our E minor. Of course, if you would like to play a slightly 1 octave higher for our left hand, no problem. I would prefer I prefer a more bass kind of sound, so I always like to go low. Okay, so this is our E minor. Next chord, we're going to have our C major. We're going to have our thumb, C, finger 3 E, finger 5 G. Left hand, you can activate a thumb on C. This is our C major chord. Next chord, we have G major. We're going to move up our thumb, G, B, D, and then if your finger 3 is around G, feel free to activate G chord, a G note. Now this is our G chord. Next chord, we have our D major, D on thumb on D, finger 3 F sharp, finger 5 A, and then I'm going to move up to high D. Of course, if you want a low D, also no problem, depending on the tone that you would like. Okay, and lastly, we have our B minor, our thumb on B. We're going to move down 1 step from middle C, thumb on B, finger 2 on D, finger 4 on F sharp. Of course, if you want to use finger 1, 3, 5, if this is natural for you, comfortable for you, feel free to use it. Okay, fingering is all optional. Okay, subject to changes. Okay, for me, I would prefer 1, 2, 4 at times. Okay, and our left hand B note, this is our B minor. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 5 chords for this song Yeshua. This is a tutorial video. Feel free to check out the practice video link above. Let's start from verse. The playing pattern for 1 full bar is going to be a both, right, right, right. Verse, my be E minor, loved is the most, C chord, beautiful, among thou, G chord, zens, and thou, D chord, zens, my be E minor again, loved is the most, C chord, beautiful, among thou, G chord, zens, and thou, D chord, zens. Let's do verse smoothly. Ready? 1, 2. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. Let's repeat. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. Let's move on to our chorus, where we have our C, D, E minor, and B minor. However, for the second C, as you can see, I have put 3 strokes over it, meaning we're gonna have 3 times on C, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th beat, we are gonna move up to D major for 1 time, and then straight away up to E minor. Okay, so let's practice a 3-1-4 pattern. So 3 times on C, 1, 2, 3, up to D and E minor. Okay, fast change. Let's go chorus smoothly. Yeah, C chord, shu, ooh, ooh, C chord 3 times. Ah, ah, ah. On the last ah, we're gonna move up to D chord 1 time, and up to E minor, full bar. Ah, 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 ah. And then B minor, ah. Repeat again, C chord, yeah, C chord, shu, ooh, ooh, C chord 3 times, ah, 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 up to D, up to E minor, ah, 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 B minor, ah, 2, 3, 4. So let's play chorus smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeshua, ooh, ooh, ah, 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 ah. Again, C chord. Yeshua, ooh, ooh, C chord, ah, 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 ah. We're going to move to bridge right now, where the chords are the same as the chorus. So we're going to have a C chord. We're going to do it slowly. For C chord, yours is the kingdom. And then next one, we have a C chord 3 times. Yours is the power. Up 1 time on D, were, and straight away up to E minor. Yours in the glory. For B minor, ever, amen. Again, go to bridge, C chord. Yours is the kingdom. 3 times on C. Yours is the power. Up 1 time on D, were, straight away to E minor. Yours in the glory. For B minor, ever, amen. Let's go bridge smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, go. For yours is the kingdom. Yours 3 times is the power. 1 time on D, were, yours in the glory forever, amen. Back to C again. Repeat. Yours is the kingdom. Yours 3 times is the power. 1 time on D, were, E minor. Yours in the glory forever, amen. Hey there friends, I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and thank you for jamming with me over here. Now if you've got a song that you would love to learn, drop me a suggestion in the comments below and I will do my best to create a tutorial for you. Thank you once again for rocking out with me. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more piano tutorials over here. Until next time, stay musical and keep on jamming.